The locksmiths don't want you to know this secret. Once you discover it, you will never think of buying another lock again. This problem has happened to many of us. You are about to leave home, and suddenly you forget the keys inside, or they are simply lost, and you don't want to break the lock hoping that the keys will appear in that moment of despair. I'm going to share with you an incredible trick that I guarantee will allow you to open the door lock using an old battery, the ones you no longer use. The first step is to take the battery and look for the paper slot. With a sharp object, we lift the edge as I am doing. After lifting the tab, we remove it with our hands. It should look like this. Now we need to open the battery in this direction. To do this, we place the battery on a hard surface and flatten it with the help of a hammer. Then we hold it with tweezers and open it. In my case, I am doing it with a saw. We cut the edges and flatten with the hammer. We come to a crucial part of the video. We will use this small piece of paper and adhesive tape. We place the piece on the paper and then place it on the metal base, as shown on the screen. With scissors, we cut the piece. In the meantime, tell us where you see us to leave you a special greeting in our next video. Pay close attention because now comes one of the most important parts of the video. We fold the piece as indicated, making sure that the curvature fits this part of the padlock. It should look like this. Let's try it. We place the piece on this part of the padlock and push firmly. We continue applying pressure down until it opens. It is already open. Observe again. Let's try it on the door in the same way. We insert it in the lock and apply a little pressure. Do you see how easy it opens? If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe so you can be the first to receive our videos.